Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the full Dark Knight armor set in the Forge in Roblox, including the helmet, the chest plates and the leggings. So this armor gives strong defense and a powerful look. So first of all, you need to open Roblox, then simply join the Forge game. After that, make sure that your character is at the high enough level because Dark Knight armor is not available in the early game. Now you need to simply go to the Dark Knight area or the dungeon where this armor is unlocked. The area is usually locked behind the progression or a specific quest. Next, you need to defeat the Dark Knight enemies or the boss found in this zone. Each of the armor piece has a chance to drop after defeating the enemies or completing the boss fight. You need to keep farming and the area until you collect all of the three pieces: the helmet, the chest plate and the leggings. You may need multiple runs to complete the full set. Once you get the armor pieces, simply open your inventory and equip them to activate the full Dark Knight armor set. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.